Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mayo Latif. I'm a remote sensing and GIS skill developer. I made previous videos on how you can retrieve your data set on Google Earth Engine and how you can visualize and export them. So you can go check if you are just seeing this video. And also I would like you to like, subscribe and click the notification button for this channel so that you can be updated in any videos we are making on this platform. And if you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. I would attend to it as soon as I can. And if you want me to make any video for you, like for the general purpose, I would make it. So today we'll be make this video is about using the normalized difference function on Google Earth Engine, just like using the normalized difference function for water, vegetation, build-up, and others. So you'll be learning how to use the function in Google Earth Engine. So I will be using Landsat 8 datasets, and I would go down to copy the code to call the function, and I'll come and paste it in my new script. So for the sake of this tutorial, I would be using, I can use this region, Kampala. So I'll create my region of interest. Yeah, good. So I'll name it region of interest, ROI. Then the date we are working with, say we are working with maybe 2023. And I would like to make it 01 2023 to December 1 to 30. Good. Then let me filter my region of interest dot filter region of interest. So it's going to be what filter bounds. Okay, very good. So the next thing is for me to use the function, the NDVI function, the normalized differential function. And to do that, I'm going to create a variable, and I will name a variable add NDVI, then equals, then function, of course is a function, then is an image. So then variable NDVI equals, so there's a difference, there's a normalized differential function here, so you can see it, this is it. So I'll just I would like to copy it. You can decide to type it out anyway, but sometimes I like to copy it. Image dot I'll paste the function. Then for NDVI for Landsat 8, the OLI, that will be band 5 and band 4, that is the near infrared and the red. So it's going to be band 5, then comma band 4, Then I would like to rename it to NDVI. Oh, in my previous video I mentioned that it is case sensitive, so we are going to put that in lowercase. Then I close with a semicolon. Then I'm going to return the image. I'm going to return the image. Then we are returning NDVI image. Yeah, very good. Sorry. Then I'm going to put a semicolon. I will put a semicolon here too. Then I'm going to apply the NDVI function to the image collection. We know that Landsat is an image collection, so apply to image collection. Good. Then I'm going to create another variable maybe with NDVI, so it is explanatory, equals data set. This is our image collection. Data set dot map open brackets add NDVI. That's the function we are applying. To give it a semicolon. Then I would like to visualize it. Then variable, maybe I calculate the main NDVI. Main NDVI equals this variable. This variable, then dot select open brackets our NDVI that we renamed it already. Then don't forget we are calculating the mean. We can add our main function. Yeah, very good. Then we want to visualize the image. Then variable NDVI visualize. So let me create the function. Maybe the minimum. The minimum is minus 0.1. Then the maximum maybe 0.9. However, we can still stretch it, so it's just to create a template. So the palette maybe red for low, then white for the middle one, then NDVI, so that will be green. I'm going to close the brackets. Oh, sorry. It's in the brackets. Good. So I'm going to finish it with semicolon. Then I would like to center my object. to my region of interest. 6, no, let me say 7. So of course we can still modify it. Then I'm going to add the map to layer. Then we are visualizing the main NDVI. Then we are using this visualization. And so I can just give it a name. NDVI. Okay, main NDVI. Main NDVI. I'm going to close it. So we can run this. So this is applicable for all the data sets. Okay, yes, the name is changed, so I'm going to use SR. Those are the name of the band. Let me show you. So it's now for the near infrared is SR_B5, SR_B4. So I'm going to go back, SR_B5 and SR_B4. So I'm going to run it again. So we can see that our NDVI has come out. Alongside is our region of interest. So I'm going to uncheck this so we can see it. Then I'm going to stretch it because of the minimum and maximum value I gave it. That's why we have this. So very good. We can see the vegetation index. You can see it. You can see it. Then you can actually increase your visualization as you want. I can make this okay, I can make this a lighter green. And then make this a deeper green. Let me apply this. So good. So you can see the red part is where we have low vegetation strength. However, you can apply this for other differential equations like your built-up or probably your modified water index. Let me show you. So for modified water index is green and short wave. It is green and short wave. So let us check for green. Green is band 3 and short wave infrared is what is band 6. So it's going to be 3 and 6. So I will just come back and change this to band 3 and band 6, and then I may want to change the color: red, white, probably blue. Then I can, since the band has changed, so I'm not going to touch the name, so because of the time, and this is going to be it's still going to be NDVI anyway. but I can just find a way of renaming it. So mean Normalized Water Differential Index, the modified one anyway. So I'm just going to run this. Okay, we have renamed it already, so we are going to use the new name. So I'm going to run it. Okay, very good. So I'm going to stress it. So in my previous video, I already did a tutorial on how you can clip it to your region of interest. So this is the normalized water index for this region. Okay, let me add more colors to it. And make so let me see. Okay, good. I think this is more explainable. So you can see this is the normalized differential water index. So you can of course see this is water body. You can see. So that is how you apply your normalized difference index in Google Earth Engine. So please do well to like, share, subscribe, and comment, so you can be able to get more notification, and we can attend to what you don't understand in this video. And if you want me to make more videos, I would be glad to do that. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is Latif. Take care. Bye.